So far in the previous video, we discussed about how to identify the influential observation and to remove it from your model. Now in these sections, I will discuss about how we'll get the autocorrelation residual for Durbin-Watson model. So Durbin-Watson's model is a very efficient model for machine learning algorithm and data science to check about your residual, which are the autocorrelations. And here is a special note for you that if any library that you call twice a times, it will be harmful. So call a library only one time only. Okay, might be some of the cases you will get any doubt or maybe in error. So regarding your library or regarding your package, so remove the library from your current editors or the path. After that, bring the library, I mean call the library again, so it is be good. Neither twice timed or more than twice time call a library is not good for machine learning algorithm or in statistics are. So let's get started for autocorrelation residual. So for Watson, Darwin Watson model. Okay, fine, all right. So let's get started with that. Give a space for me. Yeah. So first, what happened? Call a library. I will be using this library or LMT, linear model test. Yeah, it is successfully bring it here, and followed by I'm using to non-prediction, making a linear model. So the linear model is like that, where I'm using the air quality data set for input and taking the input variable temperature as the input, and followed by I'm giving, sorry, it will be tilt sample air quality data. I'm giving another data frame as a response. Let's say give wind. Okay, fine, your model is done at here. Now to check the Darwin Watson model, just write dw test. Yeah, Darwin Watson model test it is. So give it em, so you'll get the result. See, when I call this Darwin Watson model test, my function is called at here. After that, it is giving the value that p-value is 2.2 to the power 26. I mean, this is very good accuracy of your model, that very improved model with that using the Darwin Watson, because our p-values is near to 0, and you know p-values is near to 0 means your model is very accurate and very good. And even though there is a given a one suggestion that alternative hypothesis, the true correlation is greater than 0. Okay, but it is not 0 exactly. It is never be possible any model would be 0, because anything 100% is not possible. So far, so it's up to here. Suppose by default, and let me give you, the Darwin Watson model is doing the calculation of one side only. Suppose you want to make the calculation from both sides, so call the alternative and use that two dot two-sided. The run the program, will get the p-values which is also nearby near to 0. This is also good. So which of the model you will use, this is up to you. Darwin Watson model in one way calculations or both way calculations, after that you will decide, but you will choose obviously that model only, Darwin Watson, where the p-values is near to 0. So far, so I think hope you understand. If you have a query, comment or anything, you can put your query in the comment sections below, and I will kindly request you to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Have a nice day. Hope you seen in the next video for the performing one-way ANOVA, how to perform in the one-way ANOVA for that, and how to predict the intervals for new data, I mean prediction of the new values in a linear regressions. Have a nice day. Bye.